Hey everyone, Moto RZS here. Today we're looking at some crazy motorcycle crashes, so make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive right in. A classic solo low-side crash. The tires completely washed out, launching a massive shower of sparks as the bike slid down the lanes. Luckily, pure reckless behavior. The cyclist completely ran a red light, forcing the biker to make an instant emergency dodge before almost getting crushed by a yellow van seconds. Riding a high-speed street circuit takes insane precision, but seeing it from the crowd's perspective changes everything. Chasing high-speed thrills during a night ride can flip your world upside down in a split second if you lose rear traction.
You good, man? You good,
Pure
man?
motorcycle brotherhood. The author took a simple water bottle, rode straight to the nearest gas station, and carefully filled it up to get him back on track. This is what makes the riding community so legendary. No one gets left behind.
I'll fill this bad boy up and bring it back to you.
Stuck with a dead battery in the middle of traffic, this biker was completely stranded until his friend rolled up with a genius rescue plan. Cruising down this open street, this rider had absolutely no warning when a herd of deer unexpectedly stampeded straight across the asphalt. True brotherhood. They secured the scene, put the bike back on its wheels, and checked on the injured rider who suffered a leg scrape. Mountain roads demand your full focus.
Yeah, thank you. Did you get any scrapes or anything?
I fucked in my leg, but...
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Riding smoothly down this open road, these bikers had absolutely no time to react when a car unexpectedly pulled straight into their path. Total luck and a hard correction. The front tire lifted, the bike veered right, and he almost kissed the concrete barrier before dumping the front end just in time. A severe corner overshoot. He entered the bend with too much speed, lost his line, and washed out directly into the deep roadside brush. Luckily, the thick vegetation cushioned the impact, and the rider was able to stand right back up. Pure off-road overconfidence. The front tire got caught in the slick mud channel, snapping the bars and launching the biker straight into the greenery. Luckily, the dense leaves cushioned the drop, and the only thing bruised was his pride.
Come on. Little echidna on the road. Oh. Come on, little bro.
A quick act of roadside kindness. He carefully guided the sharp little echidna away from oncoming traffic, securing the corner before returning to his ride. True road safety includes protecting wildlife.
Good. Are you okay? Are you alright? Are you alright? The car accident? What? Oh, shoot.
Stumbling on a fresh, severe car accident leaves zero time to waste when people on the scene are still in shock.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna call 911, okay?
Yeah.
Alright. The cop.
First responder support. They secured the vehicle, stayed with the panicked driver, and precisely managed the emergency call until the police arrived. True bikers are always ready to protect the streets and save lives.
It probably is, yeah, I'd say so.
A brutal highway hit and run can leave you disoriented, turning a split-second sideswipe into a secondary disaster. A heartwarming rescue. He carefully scooped up the shocked swallow, checked its condition, and moved it safely into the cool grass away from oncoming traffic. True bikers care about every life on the road.
Recorded! 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 Oh, you're enough! What?
Severe road rage. He repeatedly brake-checked the bikes and swerved dangerously to intimidate them. Completely unaware he was being fully recorded.
He kept trying to brake check me and everything.
Getting cut off at high speed during a night ride can instantly trigger severe road rage, turning a bad lane change into a tense showdown.
Cutting corners on a narrow forest road is a recipe for a head-on disaster, leaving oncoming riders with absolutely no escape route.
Désolé monsieur. Oh putain de merde. Putain.
Severe failure to yield. The impact slammed the biker onto the pavement, leaving him shocked and injured. Roundabouts demand extreme caution from every driver. Who do you think completely misjudged this entry? Comment below.
Connard de merde. J'ai mal à la jambe. J'ai mal à la jambe.
The blockout? Flawless execution.
The breakdown? Flawless situational awareness. The lead rider spotted the cruiser, jammed on the brakes, and the author managed to dump his speed all the way down to a casual 11 kilometers per hour just in time. Flawless execution. Absolute road solidarity. The author and nearby riders seamlessly combined forces to lift the heavy machine and safely move it out of harm's way. Extreme danger and bad luck. The impact pinned his hand directly between the frame and a rock. As his crew rushed to lift the machine, another rider slipped on the exact same loose gravel. Reaching out to pet a cute dog in traffic can turn into an instant disaster when the fluffy passenger decides to bite back.